Kunomoya ke la engikhona kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi sizozwana. Ngisendle nje la ngikhona njengoba ubona nje nazi ihlahla lapha mawubheka nalapha emva kwami. Emva kwami uyabona kunezihlahla ngisendle nje. Ngisemthwala umeke la ngikhona njengamanje. Ngicabanga ukuthi by now kunezinto ekuwukuthi kumele ube seweyazazi already. Njengokuthi nje amanzi ane memory. Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho usiyakwazi by now, yabo? Aya storage information. Njengokuthi nje umuntu wakhiwa more than 70% of yena amanzi, yabo? Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho uyakwazi. Njengokuthi nje mhlambe umuntu unento ekuthiwa cellular memory. There's something called cellular memory that is there in your cells. I think maybe you know that by now. La engikhona kila ekuthenini if wena wakhiwa more than 70% wakhiwa amanzi, but amanzi they are capable of storing the information, they are having the memory. Amanzi vele asabona lukhulu, they have the ancient wisdom, ancient knowledge. Kusho ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi lezi zinto ezijulile ngempilo nangomhlaba ofuna ukuzazi zikuwena already, but when uyifuna ngaphandle how do you remember these things? Cabanga ukuthi lapho ke ekumele singene khona ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Uma kuukuthi yonke lento engikhuluma ngayo uyayazi, noma uma ukuthi awuyazi ke usuyayazi ke manje, yabona kune information ejulile ela kwi-cosmos, nanokuthi wena uzonzani la emhlabeni, nanokuthi iyiphi indlela emele ukuthi uhambe ngayo. Yonke information oyidingayo nale wena othi ufuna ukutshelwa yona abanye abantu ikhona la kuwena. Lo information leyo ila kuwe. But the biggest question is, how do you access it? Yabo? Because already it is there. Nansi into emele ngikutshele yona. Umzimba wakho uyi-subconscious mind yakho. Yes. Umzimba wakho uyi-subconscious mind yakho. I-subconscious ixhumene ne-superconscious, le wena oyibiza ukuthi uGod. Okusho ukuthi umzimba une-intelligence that is coming from above. Umzimba knows better where you should be, when and how. Kunento ekuthiwa i-body intelligence. Angithi uyazi ukuthi umuntu uphiliswa zinqumo zakhe ayithatha. Lezi zinqumo ayithathayo uzithatha based on the conscious mind. But the conscious mind is a lower self. And the conscious mind has been programmed by the people who are raising you. Situations and circumstances have programmed you. And those situations and those people, they know nothing of your soul journey. So when you take decisions based on abantu abakukhulisayo, ngaleyo ndlela le memory that is within yourselves uyayishutha down, uthatha ama decisions that are not in line with your blueprint. La emzimbeni kunento ekumele ukuthi ivuke kuwe uyikhumbule. Yabona lama cells akho aqhamuka khona la kwi-quantum field, lama cells akho. Yonke le information yonke nalento ekumele ukuthi uzoyenza la emhlabeni is already there in your cells. Vele ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe uyazi ukuthi we only use not more than 15% of i-DNA yethu, and then the rest of more than 75% it seems like useless. They call it a junk DNA. It is not useless. Akazi sibe useless. But the thing is, you have to remember. How do you remember? By shutting down the external noise. Shutting down the external noise. Dive within, doing the meditation. Stop comparing yourself. Using your internal authority. And stop fueling lento fear. Going back to internal authority, that I used to tell people when I'm reading their charts. The internal authority is what will guide you to remember what you are here for. Because if something does not align with you, your body tells you. Your intuition tells you. Your gut feeling tells you. But your mind interjects that. And because your mind, every endless race of wanting things is blinded by immaterialism concept. You always want more and more and more. Ulandela ibhodwe eliconsayo. Uma ngabe lingaconsi ibhodwe, awuyilapho. Uthola ukuthi lapho ila ebekumela ngabe uya khona. Kodwa ngoba aliconsi ibhodwe, there's no shiny object that is there that you can chase. That's your conscious mind has to chase. No, you are not going there. But your body intelligence is what needs to guide you and direct you. Our decisions, they should not come from the mind. They should come from your intuitions and guides and internal authorities. We have at least 7 internal authorities in human design. Yabona njengoba sibheke ku 2027. Better or worse is coming. Because we are shifting. I still gonna talk about that. Part 2 wale video ekade ngikhuluma ngayo global cycles. Kune shift ezokwenzeka. And we are ambassadors of that shift. That is why we keep on preaching the word that says, believe in yourself, be the driver of your own life, take your own decision, be self-empowered, have an enlightened selfishness. It's all about you. That is when you are going to remember. Uyazi kunabantu abano gate 44 kuma charts abo, and those people, they are always alert. When they to cellular memory yabo is very 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 sharp, and it's like they know something, how something is going to end, and it's like they remember something every time. It's like they know how is this thing going to end. It's like they already know. Why? Because they pull up from the ancient knowledge that is within their selves. You see, it's like they already know. If they meet someone, it's like they already know ukuthi lo muntu lona uzothini noma unhloboni. In memory kubona, they smell things. What is it that is smelling here? Can sense this thing is not going to end well. Those people, they are highly alert. They have gate 44. They know what I'm talking about. Those people, they can even sense these patterns are unhealthy. I have to remove myself from this person, because this person has unhealthy patterns. They are too alert. They can scan danger wherever they are. It's like there's an intuition that keeps on telling them things. You see, so that is the body intelligence that we possess, but it is flooded and disturbed by the conscious mind. We take the decision from the conscious mind, but the mind, what was the duty of it? Was to analyze, conceptualize, understand, all of those things. That's what you have to do. But when it comes to the decision making, you are where you are right now because of your decisions. And the question is, how do you take those decisions? What informs those decisions? Because some people, they encounter their challenges. They also encounter other people's challenges. Those people who program their conscious mind, and they take decisions based on how they were programmed, not using the body intelligence. There is a memory, ancient knowledge, cosmic knowledge that is within your body that you have to access, but the conscious mind keeps on disturbing that. And now it's like we are divided into 2 sections within you. There's a part within you that says I can, there's a part that says I can't, and you don't know which one to follow. You see? So yeah, that was it for today.